What's happening, Ron?
Good. This is good.
Uh-oh, there you go.
Come and get me some feet. Yeah.
Tell him, talk trash to him.
Oh, look, Daddy.
What is that?
Medicine.
Medicine? Oh, pain pills. Pain relievers.
And he gave it to somebody?
Yeah,
Why?
because it'll help him. He was about to die. Don't you want to be nice to him? Or do you just want to live? Oh, you want to be nice to them. That's good. It's good to be it's good to be nice to people after the zombie apocalypse. I think the police car's dead, my friend. Go look for more zombies.
What's wrong with guns anyways? Oh, that.
I don't see-
That was.